Welcome to our second episode of making E46 turbo competition car. Today you will see how we disassemble whole engine and what the resurfacing and honing processes looks like.
As you can see, the engine is disassembled. At the first glance it appears to be in very good condition. And now we are taking cylinder head and engine block for precise measurements, honing and grinding. We are in the engine workshop and we are going to plan engine block with screwed timing case. Then we will mill and hone the cylinders. Actually they are under milling now. To plan the engine block we have to use a special planing head which will be installed in the milling machine. To perform this operation we first need to mount the block, as you can see it's mounted, and then launch the planning program design before on the computer. To machine appropriate roughness, the CNC program should be set to proper parameters such as cutting speed and the spindle revolution. To obtain a perfect seal between the engine block and cylinder head during machining process, we need to connect engine block with timing case. There are positioning pistons and screws to do it. With this operation we will be sure that all mentioned parts will be machined in the same level. We are after resurfacing and honing our engine block for custom forged pistons. We also ground cylinder head and valve seats. Pistons slide on small amount of oil. Now we have minimum pistons clearance, which is 0.09 of millimeter in our case. We have all parts to put the engine back together in our workshop. This will be shown on next episode. Feel free to ask us any questions, we will be respond them actively in comments. See you soon!